Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a confetti popper. The things you will be needing is a balloon, scissors, tape, empty toilet paper, and paper. Okay, so first what you want to do is take your balloon and cut it in half. I already cut mine, I cut it about this much, so you still have this side and it's cut right here. So next what you want to do is you're going to take your empty toilet paper roll and you're going to take the balloon part and you're going to open it up from the end right here, as you can see. Look. I'm sorry, this is taking a while. I'll be back when I got it open. Now I finally got it open. I'm really sorry. It's like they were stuck together. That's why I couldn't get it open. Okay, so now that I have it open, what I'm gonna do is put it on the empty toilet paper roll like this. So, wait, sorry. I'll do that and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have it on, I'm going to tape it from the sides like this. So you can see, now it's like that. I'm going to tape it from these sides. So I'll be back when I've taped it. Now that I've taped it, you can hot glue it, but I just decided to tape it. Next, what you want to do is take paper and your scissors, and you're going to cut little confetti pieces like this. So I'll be back when I have tons of confetti. Now that I've cut up some confetti pieces, I'm going to put it in the holder thing right here. So I'll be back when I'm done that. When I've got the confetti in, I'm going to blow it up. And that's how you make a confetti popper. I hope you all liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!